You see, I don't see any reason why you cannot pay somebody to teach you what they know how to do. Like if they are professionals in what they do, I don't see any reason why you feel as if you're doing wrong, or the person is being wicked for collecting money to teach you something you don't know how to do. So I've seen a situation whereby some people want to learn how to make a certain type of thing, like they want to learn something, like for example I make shrayamucha and scent related stuff like collector humra, inspired perfume, designer sorry yeah yeah, inspired perfume, copied perfumes, and diffusers, scented candles, and the list goes on. So it's not bad for you to pay me to teach you one of these stuff, because I did not get this knowledge. Like I did not come to the world with it. They no born me with them. I no pick am for grand, and they no dash me. I paid to learn. Wherever I see that somebody knows how to make something I want to learn how to make, I will pay. If that person is offering classes, I will bring my head down and learn from that person, because I know that I'm getting value. If I'm not getting value, I'll still learn. I know you cannot say that you join a class and not learn one or two things. It's a lie. To me, you learn one or two things. So I will pay and learn. I've joined many incense making classes, which, sorry to say guys, you cannot compare it with mine. Like you cannot compare it with mine. But then I've joined. There is something that this other person is not this other person is doing, which you're not doing. Everybody has his own step and method and procedure, so it won't bite if you pay that person to teach you. Some people will feel like you come and be above them, or like you, how will I put it, yeah, you come and be above them, or you will just be popular more than them. I don't know how to put it, but let me tell you, it's not like that. This world, there's this Hausa saying that my mother always reminds me of. Ba me chin rabon wani, ko ba me, yeah, ba me chin rabon wani. Like you cannot get somebody's what is destined for that person to get, you can't get it. Like it's already destined for that person. So as Muslims, we believe in destiny. So if I'm not destined to get this money, there is no way I will get this money. That's one thing I put in my head. Like I've seen huge orders from international clients get cancelled, but I've not bothered, because I know it's not my role. It's not it wasn't meant to be. Yes, so I don't feel bad, but alhamdulillah, I stay happy and just thank Allah for the little ones and the huge ones that come and stay, and those that come and go too. So I hope you picked one or two things from this beautiful video. Tell me what kind of videos you want to see next. This is a card diffuser that someone got, and I shipped these diffusers. Sorry, not shipped though. I will build the diffusers to Borno. Yes, you can get this card diffusers, and I can deliver to wherever you are. I can't wait to have get your orders. They smell so amazing. They have fruity fragrance, and this will smell so lovely in your car. And ignore the nose marks. I have cold. While I was making this video, I was sick. That's why I was wearing nose marks. And this card diffuser is kind of like very very concentrated. So I did the from perceiving the scent, I will get headache, like get headache, because I had running nose, and the nose will just continue like flush flowing. Yes, it will continue flowing. That's why I just use this card, sorry, the face mask or nose mask. Yes, face mask, nose mask. Yes, that's why the whole room was smelling so amazing and so nice, like it's a candy factory. So keep your orders coming. I can't wait to have them, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in my next one. Bye.